Welcome guys. Let's do Ethereum name service token technical analysis and price prediction for this bull run. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I am going to show you my new charts and all targets. Current rank of ENS is 212 and price of ENS is $62 right now. It is Ethereum based token. Market cap of this token is $1.2 billion. Fully diluted market cap of this token is $6.25 billion, which is very huge. 24-hour trading volume of this token is $284 million. Circulating supply of this token is 20 million and maximum and total supply of this token is 100 million. Let me please show you some statistics. After that I will show you website and charts. All-time high of this token was on November 11, 2021, about 21 days ago, and price was $85.69. All-time low of this token was on November 9, 2021, about 23 days ago, and price was $22. And what is this token? ENS is an open public decentralized identity protocol that runs on the Ethereum blockchain. User can register ETH names native to ENS or import in DNS domain names they already own, which they can use as their cross-platform Web3 username and profile. One name for all of their crypto addresses and as a decentralized website. That is why this token is very important. Let me please show you where this token you can buy. You can buy this token on Binance, Coinbase, Gate.io, KuCoin, and if you want to buy this token on Binance Exchange, just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get this link of Binance Exchange. Click on this link and register your account, and after initial deposit you can grab $710 bonus, which is absolutely free. You can also grab $5,680 bonuses of these exchanges. Just click on these links and register your accounts, and after initial deposit you can grab these bonuses. These bonuses are absolutely free and these bonuses are tradable. Just trade with these bonuses only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let's dive into the content. And let me please show you website of this token, and let me please show you. This is very important token to me. Here you can see decentralized listed naming for wallets, websites and more. Your Web3 username. ENS is the most widely integrated blockchain naming standard. 494k names, integrations 332, owners 201k. That is very huge. One name for all of your addresses. That is why this token is very important. And please visit this website by your own, and please do your own research before buying this token. And let me please show you the charts. First of all, this is 4-hour chart, and this is USDT pair ENS chart. Here you can see price of ENS is $62 right now, and it is in this falling wedge. Once it broke this upper trend line, in that case our initial target is $82, after that $86. These are two immediate short-term targets, and once it broke this horizontal resistance of $86 and closed 4 hourly candles above this, in that case our next target would be like this. Let me please show you. In that case our next target will be round about $117 to $18. This will be the target. Let me please mark $117 and $119. But for this it have to break this resistance area, which is $82 and $86. These are resistances areas, but strong resistance is at $86 price area. Let me please show you volume. There is very good volume in this chart. And let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are below from this EMA ribbon. Once candle closing above $68, in that case definitely it will break this EMA ribbon and price will ready to go up. Otherwise we have to wait. And let me please show you RSI. RSI is at 41. Once it cross 50, in that case price definitely will go up. And let me please show you MACD. MACD crossover was towards downside, but now towers are changing their color. That means maybe price will go up after some time. And if it rejected from this zone and if it broke this downtrend line, in that case there is a strong spot is at $56 price area. After that $40 price area. These both zones are strong support zones for this token. $40 price area and $56 price area. These are both strong support zones. Let me please show you daily chart. This is daily chart of ENS USDT pair, and here you can see after creating top at $88, it is right now at $62. But it is facing resistance to break $64 to $65 price area, and after that this is a good spot is at $52 price area and $40 price area. Maybe we may see some consolidation phase and price can go down to retest this zone again, which is $58 price zone. But I think price have to move towards upside. Once price move towards upside, in that case our target will be like this. Let me please show you. Once it broke this horizontal resistance of $65 price zone, in that case our next target would be $77 and after that $88. But for this we have to wait for this breakout, and this is at $65. We have to wait for the breakout. And if price drops, in that case $52 is a strong support zone for this token. Let me please show you volume. In daily volume is missing. We need strong volume confirmation. Unfortunately today's volume is very low. And let me please show you EMA ribbon. Daily EMA ribbon candle is above from this EMA ribbon, and that is a good sign. And let me please show you my target for this bull run, and let me please hide the volume. For this I have to take this tool and I have to measure this from bottom to top. Please give me some time. Let me please fix it. And here you can see it is trying hard to break this zone, which is 0.38 Fibonacci level, which is at $62 price zone. Once it broke this zone, in that case, let me please do it clear. Here you can see it is trying hard to break this zone 0.38 Fibonacci level, which is at $63 price zone. Once it broke this, in that case 0.5 is next zone and it is at $70 price zone. And after that 0.61 Fibonacci level, which is at $77 price zone. And after that 0.78, which is at this zone, $87 price zone. And after that one, which is $100 price zone. What is the target for this bull run? Let me please show you. And let me please consider it. It can easily hit, I think so, it can easily hit this target. Let me please mark label on this. This is my target for this bull run. $200 is very realistic target. It can easily hit $200, maybe $220 price zone. This is very realistic target for ENS in this bull run. It can easily hit these targets, I think so. This is my technical analysis, guys. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon right now. Please share this video with all of your friends and crypto community. And if you want to grab these bounces, $5,680 bounces of these exchanges, just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab these bounces. These bounces are absolutely free and these are tradable bounces. Just trade with these bounces only and put your seed money away. This is risk free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching and always keep supporting me. Take care.